Hi, my name is Shannon Ward. Looking into the future in the next 5 years, I hope to be working in a VA hospital, helping veterans who are suffering from substance abuse and mental health issues. And in this position, employing sex positive perspectives is very important, as it is important with every other social work role. When working in outpatient therapy, I will be trans inclusive in my assessment process by being thorough and upfront with the client, yet very empathetic. If I'm unsure, I will ask the client how they would like me to address them. And it's important to always personality gauge the client in these circumstances to get a feel for what their reactions might be, and always be empathetic and don't assume anything, especially sexuality or sexual gender, things like that. So when working with older adults, creating an environment that is open and comfortable to discuss safer sexual practices is also very important due to the rise of sexual issues among older adults. There are common sexual side effects of medications, such as antidepressants, that are commonly discussed with younger patients, but not so much for older patients. With older patients, I will definitely build a stronger rapport so that we both feel comfortable talking about these issues. For young families, sexual education is very important because when working with children, it should definitely be recognized that they have to face difficult situations such as their sexuality, sexual behavior, and learning to engage in relationships as they get older. These decisions being made at such an early age will impact them for the rest of their lives. It's important to show dignity and respect for all people, regardless of their sexual orientation and gender identity. One final burning question that I have about human sexuality. I mean, honestly, most of my questions that I had have definitely been answered through this course, but I guess I'm just wondering if anyone has had any difficulties opening up about sexuality with their clients and how they overcame those issues, because I know when I first started this course, I was thinking to myself, I don't feel comfortable talking about this stuff. It's different talking about it with people that you know, but talking about it in school, I was a little bit uncomfortable. But learning all of this, I feel a lot more comfortable. So I haven't worked with a client yet with sexuality issues or just speaking with them in general about it. So I guess I'm really wondering if anybody's had any issues or problems or just felt uncomfortable and how they overcame that. Thank you. Good luck, everyone.